Hello everyone. Software tools allow to visualize the composition of the structure of complex tense form of verb. Also allow visually represent the educational material for learning. Thus, using the capabilities of modern visualization tools would solve this problem. Visualization tools can be used not only when the teacher explains new educational material, but also when students work independently, as well as when they control knowledge. The quality of foreign language teacher training is an urgent task for modern teacher education. Numerous studies are devoted to various aspects of this training. In the logic of the problems raised in the article, we pay attention to the following fundamental points of modern works of domestic and foreign scientists. The importance of introducing professionally oriented technologies in the process of teaching foreign languages is emphasized in realizing the powerful potential of didactic technologies in higher education. A special place should be given to the application of various methods and models of semantic representation of information and knowledge, as well as the use of various visualization tools and methods that can be widely used in learning a foreign language. The possibilities of using information technologies for the development and use of proprietary applications are disclosed in the use of information and communication technologies for organizing the independent work of students is shown in the study by Zakharova. The relevance of media education technologies in the professional training of future foreign language teachers is determined in. However, there are a number of topics in English that cause difficulties in learning them, and these include the type time in structure of the verb forms, the construction of interrogative sentences, and a number of other topics. It should be noted that not enough attention is paid to solving this problem based on the use of modern visualization tools, which greatly facilitate the perception of educational material. These problems can be solved by using the taxonomic structures of the educational material with their subsequent visualization based on modern software tools, which are the subject of our article. The aim of the study is to improve the training of future English teachers through the use of visualization tools for taxonomic structures of grammatical material. Expected results are developing methodological approaches to the use of visualization tools for taxonomic structures of grammatical material in the preparation of future foreign language teachers, creating a teaching aid for future English teachers based on the use of visualization tools for taxonomic structures, and creating a masterclass on the use of visualization tools for taxonomic structures of the grammatical material of the English language and test it in practice. And despite to considerable number of works dealing with various problems and develop the potential of ICT in improving the efficiency of professional training of future teachers of foreign language, using the possibilities of visualization tools, namely taxonomic structures of grammar of the English language, has not received its proper lightning, and these problems remain out of sight. Thus, there is a contradiction between the increasing possibilities of visualization tools for taxonomic structures of grammatical material and insufficient of their potential in the study of complex topics of the English language, which causes difficulties for foreign language teachers. We have shown that there is a problem of studying English grammar in practical complex verb tenses constructions of verb forms is due to the existence of many verb tenses that differ in their definition. In English, there are following verb tenses: present simple, present continuous, present perfect continuous, also past groups, future groups. As the practice has shown, teaching English is different at different stages, presented in a declarative form of educational material about verb tenses, the construction of interrogative sentences, and other complex topics causes difficulties in learning by students. One of the most effective methods of solving this problem is the construction of taxonomic structures of English grammatical material and their visualization using modern software tools. The use of taxonomic structures in the study of abstract and humanities disciplines allows you to visualize the educational material, which in turn makes it easier to learn. It should be noted that visualization tools can be used not only when explaining new educational material by the teacher, but also when students work independently, as well as when monitoring their knowledge. Figure 3 shows an example of visualization of all types of modern forms of the English present group in the active voice. As we can see at the figure number 3, there are a number of forms of present in the English. It's quite difficult for the Russian-speaking native speaker to understand the difference in English verb tenses if you do not use the markers shown in figure 4. The figure 4 shown the simple present tense is when you use a verb to tell about things that happen continually in the present, like every day, every week, or every month. Simple present tense is used for anything that happens often or is factual. The figure 5 shows that the present continuous verb tense indicates that an action or condition is happening now, frequently, and may continue into the future. And the present perfect tense refers to an action or state that either occurred at an indefinite time in the past or began in the past and continued to the present time. And the present perfect continuous tense shows that something started in the past and is continuing at the present time in this case. The use of a taxonomic structure is an effective way for initial familiarization and further learning of the English of the language. With the proper use of visualization tools for taxonomic structures, students are expected to better assimilate a particular type of modern verb form or any other similar aspect of grammar that may cause difficulties in learning a foreign language. We present the results of a brief review of software tools that can be used for visualization of educational materials in general and taxonomic structures in particular, along with the list of the software tools for visualizing educational material. The table provides a brief description of software tools and a description of their functionality in the process of teaching foreign languages. But the full results of these software tools are presented in our article. As you can see from table 1, there are many software tools that have a fairly high didactic potential. However, as the analysis of the study of modern practice of teaching foreign languages has shown, software tools as well as other visualization tools are not used sufficiently to visualize educational information. The methodology of teaching foreign languages offers various approaches to the study of topics that cause difficulties. And the study of modern teaching experience shows that there are general, didactically specific methodological principles of teaching a foreign language, along with traditional and non traditional teaching methods. However, the practice of using taxonomic structures of grammatical material and their visualization based on the use of modern software tools when learning English by native Russian speakers has shown the quality of learning the educational material increases with this approach. This is in turn is also associated with a clear visual form of presentation of educational information, which increases its perception by students. In the modern world, the importance of the quality of education as an important factor in the economic and social progress of society and the development of human creativity is noticeably increasing. Therefore, the education system also faces the task of achieving a new quality. And one of the ways to implement this task is to introduce an effective system of training and control of acquired knowledge into the practice of schools and universities. One of the ways to improve the quality of teaching foreign languages, in particular English, is to use a taxonomy of educational materials with its subsequent visualization based on modern software tools. These approaches can also be used when organizing independent work and monitoring students' knowledge. Our research continues currently. We are working on developing a training and methodological complex based on the proposed approaches to teaching foreign languages. Thank you for your attention.